In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a comprehensive FAQ section to your Shopify store using two different approaches. We'll explore how to utilize the built-in theme tools available in many Shopify themes, like those from the Online Store 2.0 suite, such as Dawn. Additionally, I'll provide guidance on setting up a more custom FAQ experience if your particular theme doesn't naturally offer this feature. Let's dive right in and make sure your customers get their questions answered quickly and efficiently. First, let's discuss using your theme's built-in FAQ capabilities, which many modern Shopify themes come equipped with. This is the easiest and most streamlined method to implement a FAQ section. Begin by navigating to your Shopify admin and clicking on Online Store. From there, go to Themes. Once you're there, click Customize on your currently active theme. Now, look at the top of the theme editor. You'll see a template drop-down menu. Here, select the page where you'd like your FAQ section to appear. This could be a dedicated FAQ page, but you can also opt to add it to your home page or even a product page template, depending on what suits your store best. Once you've chosen your location, look at your options to add sections. Click on Add Section, and you'll typically find an option named something akin to FAQ, Collapsible Content, Collapsible Rows, or Questions and Answers. These names reflect the section's purpose, to provide succinct yet insightful answers to common queries. Add this section to your chosen page. After that, you'll want to click Add Block, allowing you to insert individual FAQ items. Each block represents a separate question and answer pair. When you're adding these, take care to write clear and direct questions followed by equally clear answers. Brevity and clarity are key. Don't forget about the section settings. Configure them to adjust the appearance to fit your site's design ethos. This includes tweaking padding, styles, and whether the blocks start collapsed or expanded. The flexibility here means your FAQ can be tailored to perfectly suit your customer's experience. Once you've set everything up, remember to click Save and cement your changes. If you haven't yet created or selected a page specifically for the FAQ, go back to Online Store, then Pages, and assign the FAQ template if available in your theme. To ensure your visitors can easily find your new FAQ section, add it to your site's navigation. Head back to Online Store, then Navigation, and decide where you'd like this element to appear. This step helps in creating a seamless user journey, connecting your visitors with the information they need. This method, which requires no custom code, is incredibly reliable and stays consistent even through theme or Shopify updates. By following these steps, you're providing your customers with an efficient way to find answers, leaving them with a positive impression of your store's customer service capabilities.